Hey, what's going on, Kee family, and welcome back as we continue to embark on our garnishing herb series. Now today we got the most amazing red vein sorrel. Now sorrel is a nutritional powerhouse, providing significant amount of important micronutrients, including vitamin A, a fat-soluble vitamin that helps you maintain healthy vision, skin, immune function, growth, and reproductive health, and also vitamin C and important antioxidants that help the body resist infection. The tart flavor of sorrel is often compared to lemons or sour apples. While the plant is safe for humans, it is toxic for livestock. Sorrel works well as a complement to fish, meat, and egg dishes, and is an ingredient in soup and gratins. Red sorrel is also a detoxifying herb and acts as a diuretic. Juicing the red sorrel leaves and ingesting the juice can benefit the kidneys and urinary tract. Tea made from steeping the leaves can also be helpful for inflammation as well as fever. To sum it up, even though the leaves of this herb might not seem like much, this herb packs a lot of power. I want to thank you guys for checking this video out. I'll catch you next week.